Dear children, myself Ranbir Singh, your chemistry teacher. Here through this video I am going to explain how to upload your responses or answers, images of your exam on Google Form. Dear children, we know that due to COVID-19, schools are closed, but education, syllabus, study is going on. After studying 4-5 months, it is time to take the test so that we can know how much you have learned in these days. Google Form is a very simple and easy platform through which most of the teachers and schools are taking examination. But due to some mistakes or negligence, students are losing marks because within time we have to upload all the images. There are some other problems like network or due to some other reason, students are not able to upload all the images in a given time, due to which they are losing their marks. So through this video I am going to explain step by each and every point through screen so that without any loss you can give your exam. Let us move to screen to see each and every point step by.
Shared by school is through WhatsApp. So I am taking one example of link which is shared on WhatsApp. Just press on this link and we will see in this type of format. Here some necessary requirement or details of students are there. You must fill all the details and correct and complete also. For example, my name is Ranbir Singh, complete name should be there. Okay, now the second option is the section. For example, I am taking section A and here roll number I am filling 5. Now these all three options which I have filled, you may also have such type of questions on this link. With the help of keypad, you will be able to select the correct option for the MCQ type question or one word type of answers. You can also write with the help of that, and sentence can also be written. But in the common way, objective type questions or some subjective type of questions will be given to you by the teacher. Here in case of the subjective type of questions, here where the description is required, in that case the answer is required by the school in the notebook or answer script. In that case you must write your answers with the help of pen or pencil, and after that you can upload your answers which is written in answer script or notebook, and just when you add file button, press on it, you will have these three options. Either from my drive you can select your saved images or previous selected images can be sent, but the most common option is select files from your device. And here we will see that there are two options. Both options can be used, any option can be used. For example, I am using this first option, that is with the help of camera. When you will select this camera option and put your mobile in this way, directly you can take photo of your answer which is written in your fair notebook. Okay, and put your camera in this way so that the clear and complete image should be there. It should be visible and readable, and there should be no cutting of any part. Okay, I am holding it. You must note down that on each and every page your detail like name, roll number, class should be written, and just put means take the photo. And here if any cutting is there, for example here the upper part is little bit cutting, so I am crossing it and take this photo once again for the same page. Okay, holding it, and now I hope that it is clear from all sides, visible also. I am selecting it. Okay, now it is collected or inserted here in this Google form. In some cases the more images are there, one by one image you have to upload. So if two images are there, then add more files option, and again you will see here in this case I am selecting second option, files option. Here when we take the photo from camera, with the help of camera, with the help of mobile, generally the photo will be saved in the gallery. So I am taking this example from gallery, and here these two last pages are for the final example. So I am taking these second last first, and again one file is left, then select this add more file option and again go to that gallery. So many options are there, but common saved place is gallery, and I am taking the last photo. Okay, I have completed my answer in 3 pages, so I have uploaded all 3 pages here, inserted, and these files are collected on the Google form, but it is not uploaded. So now select this blue button where upload is written. So these 3 files will be uploaded on the Google form link. And here these moving lines are showing that network is enough, uploading is going on. If such type of movement is not there in your case, then please go to that place where network is good. Otherwise you will lose your your time. So you must go to that place where network is good, so that the time can be minimized. Okay, after that if any file is left, even then if file is left, for example if one more file was there but I could not upload, okay, in that case one more option is there again. If you want to add one left or more files, then you can select add file option again. Okay, after that if all details, all files has been collected and uploaded, then finally press this submit button, because finally with the pressing this submit button you will be able to upload your all responses. Okay, in a few seconds you will see that all the responses has been recorded. Okay, your responses had been recorded. If anything is left, you must check again. If more number of pages are there, in that case you can miss any page for uploading, and in that case you will lose your marks. So must check again and again. During that time, if anything is you found that is left, in that case you can again submit another response. Okay, I hope that you understand that through this video you will be able to understand all the steps. Thanks for watching this video completely.